Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how you can do SMS marketing on Wix. So make sure to follow all the steps and watch this video till the end to completely understand. So step one is you can just scroll down and go to the settings of the Wix. As you can see, I am on the official website of Wix. Just go to the settings, and once you go to the settings, just scroll down a little bit, and inside the communication and notification section, you can just open this one, the second one, which is called communication channels. And once you open this one, I am facing some kind of technical error for some reason. So I'm not able to see an option which is like the fifth option, which is the SMS marketing. So if you do not face the issue, it will be fixed like after a few hours. So you will be able to see the option which is called SMS marketing. So you can choose either from this option, or the second method is you can just go to this section which is called apps, and inside this click on app market. And once you click on app market, they will ask like choose professional solutions to power your Wix website. So from our search apps, and just search SMS marketing. And once you write this down, make sure to search SMS marketing, and you will see all the tools or all the applications which can help you like in your SMS marketing. As you can see, like Omni Send email marketing and SMS, Shop Script SMS marketing, Coco SMS Blast, Go Flow, Go there are different applications, and you can read the rating, reviews, and the plan as well. Like you can see like this one, if you want to use this app, so it requires premium site. If you want to use this one, this is free, and if you want to use this one, which is $7 per month. So let's say I want to go with this one, which is SMS Blast. And from here, you can just read the reviews as well. If you want to read, you can read all the information as well. And after that, just click on add to site, and just click on agree and add. And from here, you can just buy the app, and it will be automatically added into your Wix website. And after that, you will be automate and do the marketing through this application SMS Blast into your Wix website. So these are some methods which you can use to do the SMS marketing in your Wix website. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.